happy Friday. So today the girls are headed to a birthday party, a fun fancy Nancy one. They have to get ready for that, so we're gonna go do that right now. And then Hallie is performing at the high school football game for this little cheer clinic that she did. So we're gonna take you along with us as we get ready for that. All right, it's Friday. Kids are home from school, and what could you not wait to do, Ty?
On my phone.
Why?
Because there's an app called Floating Kittens.
Ty, how'd your project go?
And I'm gonna go to Kylie's birthday. Me too.
Okay, how'd your project go?
It went good.
Did you get an A?
I don't know yet.
My pictures.
Oh, I want to see them. Go get them. Ooh, moment of truth. Let's see. Have you seen them? Have you seen them? Let me see.
Here in front.
Cute.
Got my hair in front.
Do you like them?
Yes.
All right, those are really cute. Okay, Ty, let's see yours. Ooh, look good. You happy with them?
Yeah, I'm happy with mine.
What time were your guys' pictures? Was it at the end of the day or beginning of the day?
Mine was at the beginning of the day.
Mine was at before lunch, right before lunch.
After PE? I did curl your hair this morning.
Yeah.
Oh well. Look good.
Is that my makeup?
No, whose makeup is that?
Kylie. Kylie?
Where are we going?
To Kylie's birthday.
So the girls were invited to a Fancy Nancy birthday party. So let's see what we got Kylie.
We got makeup.
We got her some makeup.
Gloss. It comes with a little bag. You see,
And
I
a
got this
sparkly
for my
bag.
birthday.
You're right.
And
And so we got to wrap that up in this present, right? In this gift bag. And then it's a Fancy Nancy party.
And it's
So
an hour.
it's in less than an hour. Okay, so you guys get to dress up in your fanciest of fancy outfits.
Wait, can it be a costume?
You can dress up in your fanciest outfit that you want.
Like a costume?
Yeah.
Costume?
Whatever you want that's fancy, because it's a Fancy Nancy. Who's Fancy Nancy?
Oh, she's in a TV show. Yeah, with her friends. Yeah.
Does she have books?
Yes. I'll go get one right now.
No, it's okay. Okay, so you guys show me your fanciest outfit you're gonna wear, and then we can do your hair all fancy and your makeup all fancy.
Like, come in.
Yeah, come show everyone. So they're gonna go pick those out right now. Ooh, are you gonna wear that fancy dress?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, is that your fanciest outfit?
I just want to wear this because it's not all the way long.
Okay.
The long was, I was going to.
We're not forgetting you. All right, you got your outfit all done up?
Yeah.
That's quite a fancy outfit,
Well,
huh?
I can't even like find the things that go in here.
That's okay. Do you want your hair fancy?
Yeah.
Should we do it in curls?
Yes.
Are you gonna wear this fancy crown, or are you gonna wear a bow?
Bow.
A bow?
Yeah, this is not fancy.
That's fancy. You can wear a crown, yeah.
Yay.
Whatever you wanna do.
Bow is not fancy.
Bow's fancy too, so whatever one you want. You wanna wear the crown?
I want to wear bow.
A bow, okay.
Bow is fancy. Estelle gotta go to the party.
No, she's not old enough.
Yay.
Okay, well, come here.
She's not even, she's too small.
Okay, we got Livy's hair looking all fancy with some curls, right, Liv?
Yep.
Okay, now
I
what?
fixed this.
Oh, you fixed it. You're gonna wear a crown?
Yeah.
Let me see. You're looking real fancy.
I know.
Okay, you ready? You looking all fancy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. All right, we got fancy over here. Who are you?
Elsa?
Is that your fanciest outfit?
Yes.
Okay, how do you want to do your hair?
Should I do a braid?
You want to do a braid? Looking fancy. You know what shoes you're gonna wear?
Is this yours, Hallie? No.
Okay, you ready? Are you gonna wear that? Add to your fancy?
Yeah.
Okay, you wear that. Okay, girlies, ready for the party?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go take a cute picture of you guys on the front porch real quick. Get your shoes on. All right, get together. Ready? Say cheese. Cheese. Okay, let's go.
I can't put everything.
Here, I got it. Thanks. You guys got the present?
Yeah, I got it.
Happy birthday, Kylie. Here's your present.
Thank you.
Got their fancy Nancy outfits on. Okay, girls, have fun. Be good, okay?
All right, kiddos, you just got back from the birthday party.
Yep.
How was the birthday party?
Amazing. Yeah, and I got this painting.
Whoa.
I got markers because you can't have markers.
Wait, so it was someone else's birthday party, but you guys got gifts too?
Yep, everyone.
Wow. You guys look fancy. You ready to change clothes though?
Yeah.
What's next, Hallie?
My cheer! I am going to do the magic snap to get into my clothes. Ready?
Okay, do it.
Let's go. Hey guys, I just did the magic snap and now my mom is doing my hair. I'll see you doing my makeup.
Okay, what do you think?
It's alright. Now to go do my makeup. Let's go.
Do we need makeup?
Yeah.
Okay, just a little bit.
Mhm.
Let's go. All right, we did a little bit of lip gloss and eyeshadow, blush, and you are set to go, right?
Yep.
Let's see one of your cheers. Little preview.
Shout out your colors, blue and gold.
All right, we are all ready to go. We're gonna head to the football game right now and see Hallie perform, and we are so excited. So Hallie did this last year and she loved it. It was so fun to watch her, but there is like no parking. It's a high school football game. So I think Marcos is gonna drop me off with some of the kids. We'll try to find a seat and then meet him in there. So here we go. All right, I got Ty, Hallie, and Livy.
Yellow card and red card.
You ready? Hold my hand, Liv. It is super windy and there's a bunch of like sand over there like blowing in my eyes, but other than that I feel good. Super windy. What do you think, Liv?
Number 18, Fisher Welch. Haven't said that kid's name for a couple. First and 10, Falcons on the 30.
So I'm gonna go take Hallie to meet the cheerleaders at the beginning of second quarter. So in just a few more minutes. Right, Liv? Yep. Okay, let's take a picture. Kylie, you wanna get a picture? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese! You had fun out there. What was your favorite cheer? Yeah, I could tell you liked that one. Good job. What happened there?
You want all these?
What are they?
They're glow sticks.
Oh wow, lucky you. How'd Stella do?
She's fine. She was super busy like Livy was.
Look at Ty!
Ty's just blowing up. Can't miss Ty.
I got Manta.
Well, that was super fun. Super windy. My eyes are super dry right now, but it was super fun to see Hallie. What do you think?
It was amazing.
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 All right, well, we're gonna close out the vlog right here. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you liked this vlog.
And I'm an angel.
And you're an angel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this vlog. Comment below.
You forget. And subscribe. And subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
Ring the bell so that you know when we post next. Alrighty, see you guys.
See ya.